Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about the key and key control. So, a key is a device which is used to open a lock. A typical key consists of two parts, the blade and the bow. So, this is the key, and this is the key which has been used in the hotels in the earlier days. Now we basically use the key cards. So, the types of keys are the emergency key, master key, guest key and supply key. Now comes the emergency key. The emergency key opens all guest doors even when they are double locked. It can be used, for example, to enter a room when the guest needs help and is unable to open the door. So the emergency key is a key which is kept in the safe custody and it can open all the rooms. So this particular key is used on emergency purpose. So whoever has used the emergency key, the person needs to sign a register, a logbook, where he will mention for what purpose that particular key is being used and what time the key is been taken and what time the key is been deposited back in the front desk. Then we have the master key. Master key is designed to open a set of several locks. These keys open all guest rooms that are not double locked. These keys are like particular master keys are being given, and this key will also only open the room, all the rooms, but except the double locked. The rooms which are on double lock cannot be opened by the master key. For example, master key pin tumbler locks will have two shear points at each pin position, one for the chains key and one for the master key. So in simple terms, we say master key is a key which is used in the hotel and which can be used to open the locks which are not double locked. So double lock cannot be opened by the master key. In larger organizations with more complex grandmaster key systems may have several master keys system where the top level grandmaster key works in all of the locks in the system. A master key opens all guest rooms that are not double locked. Depending upon the need, the master key may be further established as a housekeeping staff master key, a floor supervisor master key and a grandmaster key for management purpose. So it can be the master key can be we can say that it can be divided into the master key can be segregated into housekeeping staff master key, floor supervisor master key and a grand master key for management purposes. The grand master key is the key which operates all locks in hotel including laundry and linen rooms. The grand master key can open the double lock rooms also. Then the floor supervisor's master key, that key operates all sections on the floor supervised by the particular supervisor. So a supervisor, if he is working in a particular floor, then that particular floor rooms can be opened by the floor supervisor master key. Housekeeping staff master key. This key operates all rooms served by the particular roommate or housekeeping staff. So whichever the rooms have been operating or serviced by the housekeeping housemate or chambermaids can be opened by the housekeeping staff master key. Then comes the guest key. The hotel guest room key is normally issued to open only one room for which it was intended. Say a guest checks in and the guest room, this electronic key cards will be issued to the guest, that is called guest key, and which can only open the guest room. They cannot open any other room in the floor. So that is particularly assigned on the basis of when he checked in and when he will be checking out. That particular key is been made on the particular check-in date and check-out date. The key cards, when we say key cards, before we used to have the keys, normal keys. Now we have key cards. Metal room keys are being replaced by electronically coded key cards. So before we used to have the normal keys, now we are in all the hotels we are having the electronic key cards. Electronic key cards is safe because these are the key which is like you assign to a guest, and there are chances like if in case the particular guest, what used to happen in before is like, if your key has been by mistake been taken by a guest, he forget to deposit in the front desk at the time of checkout, or maybe the bellboys forget to collect the key from the guest, and till the time you get back that key, you cannot open that room. So that particular room will be, there will be a keys, but that particular room will be closed, or the lock needs to be changed, because there are if in case the other key is not available with you. But now the electronic keys are very useful, like it's a key card. If in case you forget to take the electronic key card, then if you make it another key, the previous card automatically gets deactivated. So all the hotels nowadays are having a electronic key card. This is the electronic key card. These are been issued by the hotel, and there are different ways to open the lock. Either you slide it or you push it. So there are different ways to open that key card. So there are several popular type of key cards used, and include the mechanical hole card, barcode card, magnetic stripe card, smart card. The key card is used by presenting it to a card reader, swiping or inserting of magnetic stripe cards merely being brought into close proximity to a sensor. So key cards have the capability of being randomly coded at the point of registration. So it has made very easier nowadays to access a key card, because the key cards are more like for the security purpose also, it's very easy to handle. Like whenever the machine have a excess of coding and decoding, if for example say there is a theft in the guest room, so when you take the machine, and in the main door, the lock system, the key card system, you have a process where you have like, you just can plug in the point, and you can read the whole locking system, like who has opened the room at what time, which key is being used by the by whom to open that room. So these are the main the system which is available in electronic key card. So once you read the key card system, then you come down to your reception desk, where you have a separate computer to operate the keys. Then you encode, or you put the point in that, and then you can see all the readings, and you can also take a printout of that is all linked with this software. So it is very easy to operate, or you need to find out if anything is going wrong in the room. So key cards, before it was like, when there was a keys available in the hotel, it was difficult to find out. Only if you have to find out from the CCTV cameras are only in the floors, you cannot see what's happening in the room also. But now also you cannot see what is happening in the room, but you can at least check that who has opened that particular room. So this electronic key cards have made the life of the hoteliers or hotel staff easier to find out if anything goes wrong in the hotel room. So that's it for today, and hope it's clear to you about the key control and the types of key. Thank you.